Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. This is Ashwati. So from today we are gonna start Christmas special video series, and this is a very first video. And in this video I'm gonna show you guys very easy Christmas tree decor items. And usually what happens is these Christmas tree decor items are very expensive, but trust me guys, we can easily make it at home, which is very cost effective and which is very beautiful as well. And also I'll be showing you guys unboxing of this Christmas tree which I got from Flipkart. So for Christmas tree decor item, first thing what we need is this thermocol ball. So these thermocol balls are very easily available in any craft store, and it would cost around 5 to 10 rupees. I got it for 10 rupees, and it is a medium sized thermocol ball. So you can definitely take in a size which you would like to be. And first what I'm going to do is I'll be just inserting a skewer and just to hold it very well, and then I have applied Fevicol all over this thermocol ball, and then I'm gonna put this glitter which is again easily available in any craft store, and it would cost just 30 rupees for a very big packet. And just put on this glitter on that thermocol ball which has got gum all around, and then that's it, very easily. So let it rest for a while, and then again we are gonna repeat the same, but then this time it is not with glitters. This time we are gonna put in beads. Again, these beads are very easily available in craft store, and it would cost just for 10 or 15 rupees. We get a lot of beads. So I've taken small beads. You guys can take in the size which you want it to be, but I will highly recommend you guys to go for small size so that it sticks very well. So I've taken this purple violet color beads, and I have put in over this thermocol ball, so it has sticked on very well. So if you guys can get red color beads, that would be really beautiful because that would match that Christmas vibe. And then again with this thermocol ball, what we are gonna do is we are gonna take the sticky beads. So it would cost like 40 or 50 rupees for one full strip. Like one full strip. So I've taken this pink color bead, and I'll be sticking it all around this thermocol ball. So it is very easy because already this beads has got gum to it, so you need not put on gum. You can directly just take in that bead and put it over this thermocol ball, and it's gonna stick very well. And also it is very easy to stick as well. It is not messy at all. It's a very easy thing to do, and it is not at all time consuming. It's very easy, even kids can do it very easily. So I have taken this beads and put it all over the thermocol balls. So you guys can take any color beads. It comes in various sizes and various textures, and in those way, so it's up to you guys. Here I am taking this white color small beads. Earlier I took pink color big beads. Here I've taken small beads, and again I'm gonna repeat the same. I'll be putting in this beads all around this thermocol ball. If we are putting it very close to each other, that would be really beautiful. So just try it out, and it's really beautiful and at the same time very easy. Now again we are gonna put in beads, but this time it's different. Here I have taken this golden and silver this individual beads, and we can get it from any this sewing things का जो स्टोर होता है ना, वहाँ से हमें easily मिल सकते हैं. And I'm gonna apply glue all over this thermocol ball, and I'll be sticking in this individual beads. Here I've taken golden beads. Again we can get it in different colors, so it's little time consuming. We have to have that patience, but the end result is amazing, you guys. It looks so damn beautiful. So I'll be sticking on this individual beads all over this thermocol, and that's it. Just let it rest for a while. After that it is gonna stick very well. It's not gonna come off, trust me, you guys. Just try it out. Especially if you have kids at your home, just let them do it. It's gonna be fun for them. At the same time, it is so creative. So this how it finally looks like, and make sure that it rests for some time so that it sticks very well. Now for the next thermocol ball decoration, what we are gonna do is I've taken this thermocol ball, and I have taken Q-tip, and I have just cut it in half, and I'm just poking in this what we call it as Q-tip to that thermocol. So basically I just tried it. I just wanted to see if it's gonna work out or not. So I felt that it is cute, it's beautiful, but then I do not know if everyone would like it, because my husband was really shocked to see this, because once he came from his office he was asking me, what are you making, are you making some bomb or what? So that's how he felt. Like he felt that it's in a shape of bomb, but then I felt like it is so cute. So it depends upon person to person. So just try it out, guys. It's very easy. If you like it, please do try it out. It looks so cute, I felt. So I've just like poked in this q-tip all around this thermocol ball, and it's up to you guys. If you want it all around, just make sure that you put in a lot of this q-tip, and then I've spray paint it. But that was a stupid decision of mine, because that thermocol ball, it actually got melted. So it's better do not spray paint. If you want, you just paint it with acrylic paint. So that's something you should keep in mind, okay? And after that, I'm gonna take this color tape. It is just for like 5 or 10 rupees, that's it. And then I'm gonna cover this thermocol ball all around with this tape, color tape. If you want, you guys can take washi tape as well. It might look a little messy right now, but we can work it out at the end. So I'll be just putting this color tape all around, horizontal in horizontal direction at first, and then at the end I'll be just wrapping this thermocol ball with in the vertical direction as well. I hope you guys understood. Just covering it all around in vertical direction, so that it is in a neat way. That's what I wanted to tell you guys. Just to make it neat, I'll be just covering this what we say, thermocol ball all around. That's it. So it's again a cute one, at the same time very easy to make. And now to hang this thermocol balls, this decorated thermocol balls, what we need is we need some kind of hard metal. So for that I have taken flower making wires. So it is again easily available in any craft store. So I've cut it out a small piece and I've bended it in a U shape, and then I'll be pushing it into that thermocol ball, so that it has a loop with which we can hang these two this Christmas tree. So make sure that it is thick enough, that is this flower making wire is there, no, that is thick enough. At the same time we should be able to walk with it. So I'm gonna repeat the same for the all thermocol balls. So now you guys can see that Q-tip का जो thermocol ball हमने बनाया था, that actually got melt off. So that's the reason I took another thermocol ball and I've sticked in that same Q-tip which has got that golden color. So it worked out pretty well in that way. And then I'm taking this plasticky transparent wire. In that way I'm gonna hang these thermocol balls with this. So since it is transparent thread, in that way it is not gonna look awkward. So that's the reason I took this transparent thread. And now I'm gonna make a small little bows to decorate that thermocol balls. So it is again very easily, just cut a piece of satin ribbon. If it is red, that would be more beautiful. And then I'm gonna tie a bow, and I'm gonna make it as small as possible, so that it is gonna look so cute, and it is gonna fit into that thermocol ball very well. So I've made it as small as possible, and then whatever extra cloth is there, satin ribbon cloth is there, I'll be just cutting it off. Now there is chance that the threads will come out from the end, so just to avoid that I'll be just showing that part to fire, and in that way it will just melt and threads won't come out. So that's what I'm doing. And then I have applied little bit of glue with a glue gun, and then I'll be just putting in just below the loop to that thermocol ball, golden beads thermocol ball. And I think it looks so cute, especially if it was a red color ribbon, it would have been much more beautiful. So I'm gonna do the same to all the thermocol balls, and that's it. Now we are gonna make actual bow. For that I'll be taking 12-inch satin ribbon. This time I have taken red ribbon. So it's up to you guys how big bow you want. I think the standard size would be 12-inch, and also it's good to have a measurement because in that way we can make bows of equal measurement. And then I'll be just putting my hands in between, and then gonna crisscross this satin ribbon like so. And then I'll be taking my hands off, and you guys can see that it's now in a kind of bow shape. And now what we need to do is just fold it in middle so that we get the exact middle part. And once we get the exact middle part, what we have to do is just put on a running stitch in between, and then just pull it very well so that it forms a bow. So I don't know if you guys can understand while I am explaining. Please do have a look at the video very well, very closely. You guys can see that I'm pulling the thread like very tightly, and I'm gonna go with the thread in the opposite direction as well, and in that way it turned out to be a bow. Okay, make sure that you put on a good 2-3 knots very well so that it doesn't comes off. And now bow is ready. And now what we have to do is that bow का जो left over part जो होता है ना, just to make it in a proper way, in a proper position, I'll be just giving 2-3 knots over there as well. And in that way it is gonna look perfect. And then whatever extra satin ribbon is there, I'll be cutting it out. Just to make sure that threads doesn't come out, I'll be cutting out in a V shape just like so, and I'll be putting on a bead. With that it's ready, bow is ready. Now we are gonna make snowflakes. For that I'll be just randomly drawing a snowflakes just like so, a random pattern for snowflakes. You guys know how it is. And then that's it. Just mark all the things, usual snowflakes का जो shape होता है ना, in that way just draw it. Now I have taken a glass piece. If you do not have a glass, you can take a plastic sheet as well. And then I'll be just putting over the stencil and drawing the snowflakes with a glue gun. So take your time, draw it, and then before this glue dries up, please put on some glitter, any kind of glitter, so that it has a glitter effect. And then once it is dried up completely, you can just take it off. It comes off very easily because it's on glass. And now I'm going to show you guys this Christmas tree which I got from Flipkart, and this is how it looks like. Actually I got one from Amazon as well, but then it was broken. That's the reason I returned it and got this from Flipkart, and it is of 836 rupees. I'm not sure with whether it is cheap or expensive or anything like that, because it's for the very first time I'm buying a Christmas tree, so I do not know the market rate or online rate. So please do let me know in the comment section down below, guys, if it is expensive or cheap or whatever you think. So now it came in two pieces. First I was a little scared that it just got broken or what, but it's okay. Actually we need to fix it, so I fixed it very well, and I think it's cool. I actually loved it. I didn't expect it to be this good actually. And once it is done completely, this is how the Christmas tree looks like. And first thing I got for decorating Christmas tree is this fairy light, and the best part is that it works with battery, so we need not search for plugs and all that. That's something I really like. So I'll be just putting in this fairy lights all around this Christmas tree. So it looks beautiful. I really loved it. I think it's quite affordable for this rate. I think it's good fairy light. Anyways, I will put in these two links, a Christmas tree as well as a fairy light links, down in description box. If you guys, in case if you guys want to check it out, please do check it out. Now we are gonna decorate our Christmas tree with the things which we have already made, cute little decorative things. So I'm gonna tie it with this plasticky transparent thread. So as you guys can see, this thread is not at all visible, so it's very neat. So that's the reason I will highly recommend you guys to get these kind of transparent plasticky thread, so that it's neat. So I have put in all the thermocol balls here and there very randomly, and I'm gonna also put on this and also the snowflakes as well. And I felt that it's really beautiful. I'm very 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 happy with the end result. It took some time, especially for that bead, that golden bead was there, no individual beads. For that it took me some time, but then it was worth. It's absolutely gorgeous. So please do let me know in the comment section down below, how do you guys decorate your Christmas tree, whether you buy things or you guys make it by your own. So anyways, this year please to try it out, try to make it by your own, because that experience is amazing, and that gives so much of satisfaction. So please to try it out guys, and do send me pictures. I would highly appreciate that. I would love to see that pictures, because that would make me so happy, and I will definitely share it in my community page, community tab, as well as on my Instagram. So that's it you guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching it. I really really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, you guys know what to do. Please to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So see you very soon with yet another DIY video. So bye bye, take care, love you all.